Amardeep Chaudhary versus Manas Nagarpalli comparison video. Real name Amardeep is Amardeep Chaudhary. Manas is Manas Nagarpalli. Nickname Amardeep is Amardeep. Manas is Manas. Date of birth Amardeep is 8 November 1990. Manas is 2 August 1990. Age Amardeep is 35 years. Manas is 35 years. Birthplace Amardeep is Anantapur, Andhra Pradesh. Manas is Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. Profession Amardeep is actor. Manas is actor. Height Amardeep is 5 feet 10 inches. Manas is 5 feet 10 inches. Weight Amardeep is 75 kilograms. Manas is 72 kilograms. Education Amardeep is B.Tech. Manas is B.Tech. Famous for Amardeep is Uyala Jampala serial. Manas is Koilamma serial. Year active Amardeep is 2016. Manas is 2011. Debut movie Amardeep is Parinayam movie. Manas is Jalak movie. Debut television Amardeep is Uyala Jampala serial. Manas is Koilamma serial. Marital status Amardeep is married. Manas is married. Total movies Amardeep is 10 movies. Manas is 6 movies. Religion Amardeep is Hindu. Manas is Hindu. Nationality Amardeep is Indian. Manas is Indian. Zodiac sign Amardeep is Scorpio. Manas is Leo. Hobbies Amardeep is traveling, shopping, dancing. Manas is reading books, listening music. Instagram followers Amardeep is 497k. Manas is 380k. YouTube followers Amardeep is 17.5k. Manas is 40.2k. Facebook followers Amardeep is 5.2k. Manas is 81.3k. Twitter followers Amardeep is 1.2k. Manas is 6.4k. Do like and subscribe. Comment your